We're fusing our robot operating systems into one unified framework.
Really?
Introducing iiQKA.OS2, one operating system driving the whole KUKA portfolio.
So one for all, huh?
One software, one hardware for all robots.
For every single robot.
Okay, moving on. The all-new iiQKA.OS2 interface is intuitive and easy to use. And inside, you get a core that also comprises all the best features from its predecessors. Be more efficient with offline programming and virtual commissioning. Plus, iiQKA.OS2 is ISO and IEC certified. The KRC5 controller boasts modern chip architecture, delivering a smaller, lighter, more powerful, and energy-efficient design. And with its built-in state-of-the-art security, it's officially cyber-resilient. So you're good to go. Looks like for every KUKA robot, there's iiQKA.OS2.
Industrial intelligence.